United States, at this moment I also receive you. I contemplate your heart, not of stone, but of metal, of gold. Your metal mind I find hardened. I do not find love in you, I do not discover spirituality, I only see greatness, ambitions and greed. Continue, but I ask you, when will my seed take deep root in you? When will you tear down your golden calf and your Tower of Babel, to build the true temple of the Lord? I touch your conscience, from the first to the last, and I forgive you. I enlighten you so that in the supreme hour, when the test reaches its culmination, your mind is not clouded, but you think clearly and remember that I am before you. I give you light, strength and power. Do not intervene in my high judgments, because if you disobey my mandates or cross the limit that I indicate, pain, destruction, fire, pestilence and death will be with you. 7 nations. 7 heads. The Father has received you. Before you, under your rule, is the world. You will answer to me for it. Be the light of the book of the 7 seals in each of the nations, so that people prepare themselves according to my will. My peace be with you. Book of the True Life Lesson 127 verses 58 to 60 and 64 to 65, the Third Testament.org.